In the recent years, Alexis has seen a potential in the fintech industry and wants to seek for a job as a business analyst in this industry. He is sure that his financial skills are more than sufficient to enter this industry, but he still lacks IT skills. Thus, he is unable to set specific goals and milestones to reach before applying for the job. Being the technologically savvy guy that he is, Alexis decides to download and utilize the Staff on Demand application to find a job. He launches the application and is greeted with the main dashboard. Knowing that he needs to find a job, he clicks on an icon labeled as Job Search. He types Business Analyst into the search bar and manages to find 10 results, but sets his eyes on a job offering posted by a local SME, Apex Peak. After reading the job description and qualifications, he realizes that he requires a total of 7 skills to secure the chance of attaining the job. These skills include Microsoft Excel, 2+ years experience in marketing and sales or operations, data skills for optimization on ROI, knowledge working with API and websites, database management skills with SAP SQL, familiar with Python, project management and planning skills. At this point in time, Alex feels discouraged as he does not meet all the requirements. He is not familiar with database management skills and has never used Python before. Unfortunately, Alexis is unsure of how he can gather these 2 skills to satisfy his dream job requirements. As Alexis looks carefully at the job description, he sees that there is a button for him to set his job as a goal at the bottom of the page. Intrigued by this idea, he presses the button and is prompted to take his previously acquired skills. Alexis proceeds to take Microsoft Excel, 2+ years of experience in marketing, sales, operations, data skills for optimization and ROI, knowledge working with API websites, and project management and planning skills. Upon the confirmation of his previously acquired skills, he is brought to the new page where his first goal, business analyst, has been set with 71% complete, denoting his progress in achieving the job. Scrolling through his goal page, Alexis realizes that he needs to obtain the last 2 skills requirements, familiar with Python and database management skills with SAP SQL to reach his goal. Alexis decides to click on the skill requirement, familiar with Python. The system automatically recognizes the skill requirement as a Python programming skill and redirects him to a new subtask page. Unsure of what to enter as Alexis sees a link to course button and proceeds to press it. This directs him to a list of Python-related courses offered by various course vendors. After looking through the details of each course, Alexis decides to choose the Python course conducted by Coursera. This course price of $440 is reasonable for him, and he would be able to complete this course by 15 December 2015, which is before the deadline of application for Apex Peak job. Upon clicking on the button that deals with the registration of the course, Alexis is brought to an external site, Coursera course website, to complete his registration and payment. After the payment is confirmed, he is redirected to the new subtask screen. But this time, the start and end date of the course has been populated according to Coursera Python course dates. He then presses the Add to Goal button and is brought back to the goal page where he sees the word In Progress displayed under his familiar with Python skill requirement. Feeling more confident of how Goal Tracker function works, he repeats the same steps for the next requirement, database management skills with SAP SQL. With all these subtasks set in place, Alexis returns to the main goal page and looks at his overall progress. Seeing that his subtasks are in progress, Alexis has more confidence in himself and can already picture himself in the shoes of a business analyst. But looking at his goals set so far, he knows he has a long way to go. Thankfully, The goal tracker keeps him reminded of this along with the various dates and displays the progress of his goals using simple visualization diagrams. Alexis looks forward to the upcoming months ahead.